How to make repost private on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. After you've opened TikTok, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy, which is the second option. After you've done that, in here you'll find Private Account at the top. Turn that on. After that, your account will be private and all your reposts will also be private. This is how to make reposts private on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.